So we're back in the shop here, same day, April 18th, Good Friday. And this is the black Canadian airboat that these guys are working on. Got Aidan up top here, and we got Randy, our mechanic extraordinaire, up there. And looks like they're working on a carb and the drop-in distributor. So, like I said, they got the heads on. Looks like they've got the valve covers on again. And this is going to be probably the last day or two of work on this thing. And sure appreciate having these guys here, because otherwise Dad has to crawl up and down to get in there. I think they're working on a spring right now. Anyways, there's right back up to top level of yelling and supervising from ground floor, but it's kind of tight working area here. Sure appreciate having Aidan and Randy here, because otherwise Dad's got to hop up and down on that there, and at 82 it's a little tough. So this is what these guys are up to, and this has been 3 weeks where we actually had this machine pretty much while nothing's doing here. So they've been busy the last 2-3 days getting this done. So end of the day here, and they're going to try and see if they can fire it up.
I think we're giving it too much gas now.
Well, just step the gas pedal down, take your foot off, that sets the choke. bright yet, but it's close enough.
Well, we'll put a timing light on.
Okay, you do it right there, by ear, then you know it's right.
Okay.
Number 3 here is leaking. Oh, it's leaking between the head too. No, it's leaking out the head bolt and then
Yeah.
down.
What I think we'll do is tomorrow pull the headers out, take one out at a time,
Yeah.
put new sealer on it and put them back in.
Because the water won't come through there, right?
Well, we got a drainer right in.
Okay.
But that's,
Then we'll blow it out and make fucking sure it's bone dry
yeah,
and put lots of sealer on.
yeah,
Yeah, we have to put lots on it.
yeah.
Okay, looks like they got it running, but it's not perfect, but they're going to do the rest of the testing tomorrow. So tomorrow is Saturday, so we'll check in with these guys tomorrow.
Got so hot it burnt right through the aluminum heads,
Okay,
and that's excessive heat. See where it burnt out?
oh wow,
There, that was just about ready.
wow.
And the other head is the same.
Okay,
It
so,
got so hot that even the seats of the valve lifted up.
huh. So Dad was just saying to me in the coffee room that there was almost no oil, and it was being run over 3,200. So he's going to mark it on the,
Over revving.
yeah,
They
Okay.
can't take it. And
so here's the other one here.
they have that.
Ball valve shut off.
See here?
Yep.
Right through. See there?
Yep. So this one looks like it lifted a little bit out as well.
No, those are
No.
okay.
Okay.
But you can see where it burnt through there, but it didn't go through the head. The ball valve for water was shut off because whoever had put the lever on wrong. The lever handle has to be in line with your water, and whoever put the handle on put it on crossways.
Okay.
So that's the way it was running. But then somebody had shut it, opened it, thinking it's the right way because it should be, and it wasn't.
Okay.
No water.
Okay.
So
So
it's either 2 new heads and check everything out, or buy a new engine.
yeah, which they weren't going to do. So there you go. That's the end of the problems with the black airboat. Who's a big suck, Charles? Are you a big suck? Hey? You are? Oh, tell me how big of a suck you are. Hey? You were just crying here 2 seconds ago. Oh, okay. And there's our Filipino Emily and our Charles in charge. Big suck. Boss dog on boss's chair. Hey, Putz. Yeah, that's your dad's chair.